Yo, just gonna do a quick recap on these two BTC shorts I took early this morning. Two beautiful shorts. One played out for 4.33R and the second played out for 3.38. First one, I simply just played the return pullback into this 3-day composite here, and second one is just simply playing the rotation play, right? Just shorting from composite value high to composite value low. But yeah, let me just break it down. So in terms of price has been ranging from these last few days just above here around 65k. We ended up selling off in the early hours today, where we then accepted just 3-day here. This is a composite marked from Friday 10th of July to the 12th of July. Yeah, obviously weekends usually shouldn't use, but this one had some good interactions and had Friday included, so I decided to use it. And yeah, price simply accepted, right? Could have possibly played this retest here. It's a very quick retest, especially after an aggressive move. So possibly could play that. I waited for a bit more acceptance to be proven. We ended up mean reverting, and then obviously POC stops reversal. We ended up coming back up to the composite value high, which I then shorted. Put my stops just above deval, and then shorted it for reversal. Yeah, took profits here. Sold off pretty aggressively here. You can see this candle here. There's quite aggressive selling going on, and yeah, obviously around this composite value low, we have this the POC of this big wider range. So I was very careful in terms of my TPing. Obviously made sure to TP on POC. I think this one I TP'd a bit lower than POC because it dropped off quite quick. In fact, I think this trade was 12 minutes it took, or 13. I just hit TP. So honestly can't complain. Really good. So yeah, closed that position. Obviously price continued being rotational. We had DVA coming down a bit here, and then yeah, price ended up coming back to this composite value high, which I then took another short. This one wasn't as clean, it's chopping quite a bit. Obviously the composite value high is decently close to the POC, and it doesn't help that deval is around here. So yeah, it took a while, but ended up going TP. Yeah, just simply playing the rotational play. Obviously it's rotational until proven otherwise. Yeah, this one just kept me reverting and then coming back to the value high. So yeah, held that for a bit much longer than this one, but essentially did play out. But yeah, pretty beautiful stuff. I can't lie. Very very textbook trades to take. Can't really ask for more.